Today, we're going to dive into the benefits of Azure Arc, a game changer for managing, monitoring, and updating those on-prem servers. I'm John, and with me today is Ty.
Hi everyone, we're excited to discuss how Azure Arc can transform your IT infrastructure.
No, absolutely. So let's just jump on in. So first off, Azure Arc can extend those Azure management capabilities all the way to your on-prem environments, your multi-cloud environments, and those edge environments if you need it to. It allows you to manage your entire infrastructure using that single control plane, providing a unified experience really across all of your resources.
That's right, John. And one of the standout features of Azure Arc is the ability to manage, monitor, and update on-prem servers. This includes both Windows and Linux machines, as well as bare metal servers. With Azure Arc, you can ensure consistent server extensions, centralized agent management, and built-in Azure policies for compliance and overall governance of your estate.
Now, like you say, Ty, that's really important, really, when you think of it. So, not only can you use Azure Arc to provide that governance, it also gives you, the user, the tools that you need to comprehensively monitor through Azure Monitor. Clear policy management via use of Azure Policy, and using things like Azure Automation for that update management piece. So, but look, that's not all it's got in its kit back, isn't that right, Ty?
100% right. Azure Arc brings significant enhancements for SQL Server and Windows Server agents. For instance, did you know with SQL Server, it offers best practice analysis that evaluates security, performance, scalability, and business continuity at zero additional cost?
Yeah, I know. I remember hearing about that, Ty. And look, we also know from a previous video, right, that when we look through the lens of Windows Server security, Azure Arc provides extended security updates, hot patching, and we can integrate with that Azure Update Manager where we need to. So this is really ensuring that your servers are secure and running on the latest updates.
Hey John, did you catch the latest episode of Ignite and all around Azure Arc? Do you know some of the enhanced security updates for Windows Server 25? Improved performance for cloud agility. Additionally, Azure Arc now supports more Azure management tools like Azure Update Manager, Azure Policy Guest Configuration, disaster recovery capabilities for those with on-premise services that they want to use Azure Site Recovery.
No, absolutely, Ty. I did spot that. You're not wrong at all. I mean, so many innovations are happening, right across that platform at the moment, and kind of offering so many cloud capabilities across your entire estate. It really is, I'm finding it unbelievable, to be honest. So, one of the other exciting features that I wanted to pick up on was the Azure Arc Gateway. Kind of, simplifies that connectivity piece for those on-prem servers by kind of just reducing the number of endpoints that we have to hook into Azure, which of course is going to have an impact on security. So that's really good to see.
And from a security perspective, Azure Arc is absolutely immense. It enables you, the end user, and organization to protect not only on-premise, but also hybrid and multi-cloud estates using all the same capabilities and management tools that's available in Azure. This includes Entra ID, which obviously is historically known as Azure Active Directory, managed identity, service security baselines, and role-based access control. You can also leverage Microsoft Defender for Cloud and Azure Sentinel for comprehensive security monitoring and threat detection, which we'll cover in another short video in our series.
I'm sure we will. And remember, Ty, Azure Arc also supports consuming all of those security features in a pay-as-you-go fashion. So a bit akin to those cloud economics that we all know and love. If you switch it off, you don't have to pay for it, right?
Amazing. So just to wrap up, John, just remember some of the key benefits for Azure Arc: centralized management and control across your entire hybrid or multi-cloud environments, data governance, business continuity solutions, and it's all seamlessly integrated into your existing tools and process. So it should be very, very easy to adopt, implement, and utilize.
Yeah, exactly, Ty. I think we've said enough now. Azure Arc really is one of those enabling technologies, and I really can't wait to see how the innovation progresses over time. For example, the bit around Azure Arc's ability to manage and govern those SQL Server workloads from that single control plane is a significant advantage, providing a unified view of all your SQL servers, making it easy to manage the inventory and also license those servers. And now, after those announcements at Ignite, the same thing is available right across the Windows Server OS workload. So really, really exciting time for an IT pro. So can't wait to see what's coming next time.
Amazing. And that's a wrap for today's episode on Azure Arc. Hopefully you found it informational and helpful. If you want to explore any additional benefits or additional information, please follow the links below. Otherwise, thank you very much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on AzBytes. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.